Here's your homework for tonight. I'm going to start at the very last problem here. Most of these, some of these we did in class, but you know, as it gets dropped. So, I'll do K first. Start with K. Find a distance to D. D is distance in meter, so D is distance in meter. The reason I write this is because you need to know what it means. What does your rate of change mean? Make sure you write a sentence on what you learned today, okay? In meter, a car travels in t seconds, so this is seconds, as shown in the table. Okay, so if you had to graph this would be 5 different dots. So if you pick 2, either choose the bottom 2 or the top 2. If they're all positive, I always choose the smaller of the 2. Your answers will be the same no matter which 2 you choose. It's just you need to reduce more if it's a bigger number. That's all. But other than that, you just do, this is your x sub 1, y sub 1. Okay, and this is your x sub 2. This is your y sub 2. Okay, little. And then you do y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over, I want formulas for every one of these. Because I can teach you, I know these formulas so well, I can teach you without the formula. But I don't. I need to know what you know, and you need to know what I know. I need to know what you know. So you write everything out. X sub 2 minus x sub 1 is the first time. This is the ratio formula or rate of change formula or the slope formula. Same thing. It gives the letter M. Y sub 2 is 2. This is y sub 1, so sorry. It's 2, so you write the number 2 for this letter here. 2 minus 1. 2 seconds minus 1 second. These are second. 2 second minus 1 second equals to 1 second. Okay, over your x sub 2, this is your x sub 2, is 20, minus 10, x sub 1 is 10, and these are meters. So 20 minus 10 is 10 meters. What does it mean? A car travels 1 second, a car travels 10 meters. Um, 1 second, a car travels 10 meters, or for every 10 meter, for every second, a car travels 10 meters. This has no meaning, so notice it didn't ask you for what it means. So all you need to do is, this is 2, this is 3. The numbers are right here, so this is negative 8 and 3. And this is 5 and negative 5. Negative 6, negative 5. Okay, so you do y sub 2, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. You'll be seeing this formula all year long. It's an important one. Okay, this is your first dot. This line is going down. If you write your name, notice it's going down. So this is x sub 1, that's your first dot. Y sub 1, these 1 represents your first dot, dot number 1. Okay, and here's x sub 2, y sub 2. This represents dot number 2. Okay, y sub 2 is negative 5. minus y sub 1, 3. That's negative 8 over your x. X is 5. Minus this negative 8. That is 13. Additive inverse, notice. So this is your answer. Cannot be reduced anymore. Okay, so letter H. You pick two numbers here. I thought I did this all in class. I guess I did it on paper. Pick two numbers. Any number, it comes out the same. Okay, this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. If I were you, I'd choose these and these. You'll get the same answers I do. Okay, so your ratio is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. y2 is 2400 minus y1, 100 over x2, 6000 minus that. It's 2300 over 575. 5, I think so. Yeah, that would get you 6,000. Okay, and the 2400 and 100 is the number of male students. So this is male, that's your Y, and your X is total number of students. So this is the students, total students. So when I subtract the 600 minus this, these are total students. So reduce, this is why I don't want it that big, by 50. 2300 divided by 50, you get, I don't have a calculator. Okay, so 2300 divided by 50, 46, you get 46. 46 males over, okay, 5750 divided by 50 equals 115 students. Which can reduce by, let's see, times 50 and make sure it gets me back to where it was. Okay, good. I think I've made a mistake somewhere. Let's see, 4, 8, 35, no, 6, no, 7, 8. I'm not sure where my mistake is. But that may be it. 2 is 50 over 50. It just doesn't look right. Let me check. Again, 23 divided by 50, it's 46. Yeah. And oh my gosh, did I do something wrong? I'm not sure. Should equal to the same amount. Should be two over three it's 2 over 3. So divide this by 23. Okay. Divide that by 23. 115 divided by 23. Yep, 5. 2 over 5. 2 males over 5 students. This way it's best, if I were you, to choose 0, 0, and 250 and 150, because with that I can reduce. That's why I knew it was 23, because it reduced to 2/5 when I got that answer. Okay, so what does your answer means? 2 males for every 5 students total. That's the ratio, 2 to 5. Okay, this one. Look at this graph. You would choose 0, 0, 0. This 0 here is students. This 0 here is number of male students. 0 males. Okay. X sub 1, Y sub 1. And then you can't choose 1. Doesn't work because there's no number there. You can't choose 2. There's no number there. Can't choose 3. Nope. Can't choose 4 either. You can choose 5. 5 and 2. Put it up there. 5 students. 2 males. This is your X sub 2, Y sub 2. So you got, your formula is Y sub 2 minus Y1 over X sub 2 minus X sub 1. That's the ratio. Y2 is 2 males minus 0 males is 2 males. X2 is 5 students. 5 minus 0 students is 5 students total. What does this mean? There's 2 male students for every 5 students total. Okay, so F. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize this is right there. So if you didn't get this, this is it. Okay, F. Okay, some class I did F already. So pick 0, 0, 0 here for students. The other 0 is for female. Wouldn't choose 1 because there's no number there. Wouldn't choose 2 either. Wouldn't choose 3, nope. Wouldn't choose 4, nope. 5, yep, 5 students, 3 females. Okay. X sub 1, Y sub 1. X sub 2, Y sub 2. All right. So we do y2 here, 3. So the formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, m equals over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y2 is 3 female students, 3 females, minus 0 females. It gives you 3 females. X sub 2 is this 5 students minus 0 students equals to 5 students. So your answer means, what does your answer mean? 5 students, 3 female students for every 5 students total. 3 female students for every 5 students total. Period. All right, here there's 4. I think for most classes I did these. This one. Yeah. Here's 0, 0, 0 students, 0 toys. 0 toys, and 0 stuffed animals, 0 animals. Okay, I think I did this for everyone. And then we can't choose this 10 because there's no number here, so that's a bad dot. Choose 20, nope. 30, nope. 40, nope. 50, yep. 50. 50 what? 50 toys? 50 toys. For 30 stuffed animals, right? 30 animals. Okay, so this is your first one, so x sub 1, y sub 1. X sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, so you got y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y sub 2 is 0. It's 30. M equals 30 what? 30 animals, stuffed animals. And minus 0 animal. Over how many toys? 50 toys minus 0 toys. 30 animals, stuffed animals, over 50 toys. So divide that by 10. 3 stuffed animals for every 5 toys sold. Okay, what does it mean? 3 stuffed animal for every 5 toys sold. Okay, I think we finished, most classes we finished D, so I'm not going to worry about D. Go to number 1, 2, okay, and 3. Sing and Matt spent a total of this much. So in class we did do Sing plus Matt. equals to 126. On the video last year, Sing spent $2 less than twice Matt, and we said because Matt comes in second, he gets the X. Twice is 2 times. 2 times who? 2 times Matt, who is an X. So we put here Matt is X. Less than is minus 2. Because of then we flip. We're talking about Sing here. So Sing then is 2X plus the 2. No, minus. Minus because it's less than the 2. So under Sing, you put 2x minus 2, and Matt, you give it x. And then you add them together, equal to 126. Why negative 4x? Oh no, no. And 3x minus 2 equals to 126. Add 2, 3x equals to 128. Divide by 3, divide by 3. You should get a decimal answer. So 128 divide by 3, $42.66. 67 because it's 42 cents. It's 42.66, and you only want 66 cents because this is a 6. It rounds to 67. Okay, that's how much Matt is. Okay, but they want to know how much did Sing. Sing is twice that, 2 times the $42.67. Minus it to this $2, twice that, and then you get what Sing get. Okay, so Sing spent. You tell me how much he spent. Okay, most classes, I think I set this up. It equals to 180, combine like terms, you minus 45, you minus 45. Get here 135 equals to 3x. Divide by 3, you get 45. X is 45. Okay, so x right here is 45 plus 10, so this is 55. Now, this adds up to 180 degrees. So this protractor add up to 180. If it's 55 already, so 180 minus the 55 is 125. Okay, this is a rotation of 180, this shape and this shape, degrees, because it's flipped and it's opposite end, diagonal. Okay, congruent side, so I put CD here. C to D is congruent to this X there. T to E is congruent to Y here. B to E is congruent to Z.
Hi, Sue.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and yourself?
Good. I'm just videotaping. Okay, hold on. I'll just pause it.